am an entrepreneur and have started my business 4 years ago. The business has grown to a certain size, and then almost in the last year I just realized that there needs to be some other impact than what currently is being done for the business to grow to the next stage. This actually brought me to the to evaluating the Ellipse program, and clearly this has made a tremendous difference in the way I approach it now. A lot of the work comes from, or the application comes from the gut instinct, and to validate that the gut instinct is right and the rationale behind it, Ellipse has been, the curriculum especially here has been of tremendous help. The sessions on negotiations, the sessions on leadership, the sessions on brand positioning, you name it, all of them are so very important and applicable in a startup and a small scale business as well. So you get the real insights on how you can scale up the business from going through the program. Peer group in Ellipse has been fantastic. It's great that when there is a problem, like say for instance a case study, and then there are different lenses that are applied to look at that problem, say from an HR angle or operations, finance, leadership, marketing, and what you see is in a case you exactly see all these elements coming together, and which is absolutely important in terms of general management, rather than just looking at only from one, taking only one single approach. I think it's not just what actually have applied in the workplace, and it's going to be an ongoing journey in terms of what are the changes that I will be bringing in with the company, the kind of leadership style that I need to use to take the company forward. And I think it's going to be the application is on a daily basis. Coaching aspect has been a revelation for me, more at a personal level. It's more of exactly what I want, not just let's say in the short term or the medium term, but where do I see myself when I'm 60 years old, or where do I find my the ultimate happiness. And that actually has been a fantastic experience speaking to the coaches. I've gone through 4 sessions already, and I can see that I'm a far more calmer person. Faculty has been amazing, especially the program directors. You clearly see how much of a thought that they have put into when designing this program, when people, around 66 people of completely different backgrounds, can also have their own takeaways from what they actually offer. More importantly, they're so approachable, and the depth and the breadth of knowledge that they have is of amazing value, not just right now through the program, or will be accessible even after the program. There will always be a good sounding board in terms of any problems that we have, and they will be able to guide us.